Hey guys, welcome back to S&S Plane. Today we're going to be unboxing a $4.99 drone from China by way of Amazon. I've provided a link in the description on this one, and I'll pin it in the comments. Hey guys, before we start, make sure you subscribe. We're going to be doing a giveaway when we hit 1,500 subscribers, and so you want to make sure you subscribe. So let's see, I don't know what this is going to be. Like I said, through Amazon, I provided a link if you want one for yourself by way of China. It took 16 days to get, just in a bag, I guess. This is supposed to be loaded with different things. Wi-Fi, picture and video. In a soft case, there's no box. Like I said, I don't know anything about this thing. All I know is for $4.99. You know, if it takes off and flies around the yard, nice little case. Oh, look at that. So this thing's supposed to have 1080p picture and video, real-time transmission through your phone. You hook your phone to the remote. Wi-Fi function, foldable arms, lights, 3 different flight modes. You're supposed to be able to draw a flight path on the screen, and the drone is supposed to conduct an autonomous flight along the designated way that you chose. It's 2.4 gigahertz, it's 4-channel, 3 flight speeds, headless mode, altitude hold mode, trajectory flight, and lights, supposedly. Well, this thing's loaded for $4.99. Now, the one thing they do get you on is shipping. Right now, I think it's $19 to ship. It's like $24 altogether to your door. Like I said, it took 16 days for me to get. So these are your fake, obviously, little antennas. Just a cheap little plastic. That's to hold your phone. Gimbals. See, oh, it takes 3 AA batteries. Very cheap plastic, but hey, like I said, if it flies around the yard and the lights work, and half of these things work that they say they do, I mean, for $4.99, you know, for a guy that's an avid drone guy, you know, he's not going to want something like this. But for a beginner, a kid, or if you want to try to see if you're going to like flying drones, I mean, you can't go wrong, right? Well, maybe. So here's, arms do fold out. Well, it looks like it does have lights, guys. Does have a camera. See what comes in the case you get. Let's see. I think your standard prop guards, so they don't hit anything and break the props. You have 4 of those. I'm assuming a charging cable or a USB cable possibly to go to the computer. Like I said, this is supposed to be able to program waypoints. Mini screwdriver and 4 spare blades. Little case. What do we got? Probably some instructions. Oh, they are in English. Supposedly shows flight path. A lot of different things it shows on your phone. It connects to your phone. And a user's manual. And there it is, guys. $4.99, and I think it's $19 shipping. But I will provide a link if you're interested. Stay tuned. I'm going to do a flight on it. Make sure you subscribe, guys. Until next time.